Here we have a question where we need to simplify this expression. This expression that we have is an algebraic expression. When you are simplifying such an expression, you need to look at your signs. We have a multiplication, we have a division. So here, when there is a division, you apply a multiplication sign, and then a fraction that is on your right side, you invert it. That is changing the numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. So from here, we can see y is common here. We can factorize this one. We can see x here is common. This one we can factorize. We have a division sign. We need to apply a multiplication sign. We need to factorize a common factor first on both the numerator and the denominator. So when we come here, we are going to have our y. Okay, so our y. It's our y. Remember, y is common, so we are going to take out y here. We are going to be left by x squared minus 9. Or let me write it and here put some space so that we do not get confused. So it's going to be our y, and here we have x squared minus 9. And on the denominator we have 10, we have 3. How do we get 10? 10 by 1 or 5 by 2. A negative 2 and a positive 5. So when we factorize there, we are going to find x plus 5x minus 2. Our multiplication sign. On the numerator, we have a common factor. X is going to be x minus 3. It's x squared, not x. X squared minus 3x plus 2. Everything over here. How do we get 36? And here we get 9. It means it's a positive 12 and a negative 3. So here we get x plus 12 and then x minus 3. This one will give us negative 36. X and x there, 12, and that one we get a positive 9. And then we apply a multiplication sign. We invert. So we get, factor out 2 after inverting, factor out 2. You're left with x squared plus 17x plus 60. We close bracket. We concentrate on our new denominator. This one becomes the new denominator, and we have a common x there. Our common x, and then we have our x squared plus 2x minus 3. So from there, we need to factorize this one here, that one there, that one, and this one. So at this stage, we factor out y here. It's already factored out. Difference between squares. So it's x minus 3, x plus 3. Everything is over x plus 5, x minus 2, multiply by, so it's x here, open bracket. How do we get 2? And we check the sign is negative, so it's negative 1 and negative 2. They give you a negative 3. So it's x minus 2 and x minus 1, everything here over x minus x plus 12 and x minus 3. Remember, apply multiplication there, we get 2. What number gives you 60? You add the 2, that's 12 and 5. 12 plus 5, you get 17. So it's x plus 12 and x plus 5, everything over, it's x here, which is common, and then here we look at minus 3. So how do we get a positive 2? It's a positive 3 and negative 1. So it's x, it's a negative 1 and x plus 3. So what we have here. So this is our expression that we have. We come to the next stage. What we do at this particular stage is to cancel like terms that are there on the numerator and the denominator. In this particular case, it's like brackets. The brackets with like terms, you cancel them. For example, here you check on the numerator, we have x minus 3. You check on the denominator, if we have x minus 3, we have it here. So remember, we are multiplying. So this whole expression is one term. So we cancel this one here with that one. We have a positive 3 here and a positive 3 there inside the bracket. We have a negative 2 here. We have negative 2 here. We have positive 5 and this bracket with positive 5. We have a bracket with 12, that one with 12. We have a bracket with x minus 1, that one is x minus 1. Now we check things that we have not cancelled. When we cancel all these brackets, it means we are left with 1. So it's going to be y over 1 multiplied by, what is it that is left here? It's x over 1. Since we cancelled all the brackets, so we are left with 1. And then multiply by, here is 2 over x. We overlooked these 2x, so they cancel each other here. So here we are left with multiplying on the numerator, we are left by y and 2, we get 2y over 1. Let us not write our 1, let us write it as, remember 1 does not change anything, so our final answer is 2y. So when you are simplifying algebraic expression, you check if the expression is factorizable, or if you are able to factorize the expression. There is a division sign. What do? You apply a multiplication sign, invert the fraction on your right. Thank you.